Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In today's video, we'll see how to crochet a butterfly applique which you can use to decorate various items. A written pattern is available in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Use any yarn of your choice and a suitable hook. I'm using a fingering weight yarn and a 3 mm crochet hook. First, make a slip knot and then work 4 chains. Join the last chain with a slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Now make 9 chains. This will count as a double crochet and 6 chains. Then work 3 double crochets into the ring. Then make 14 chains. Work 3 double crochets into the ring. Again 14 chains. Three double crochets into the ring. Now chain 6. And work 2 double crochets into the ring. Then slip stitch in the third chain at the beginning, which counts as the first stitch. Now you have the basic structure of your butterfly. We'll start the second round with chain 1, and now into the first 6 chain space you work a single crochet, a half double crochet, two double crochets, six treble crochets, that is yarn over the hook twice, insert hook, pull yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. This is your treble. You're going to work 6 trebles into the chain 6 space. Third treble stitch, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then you make 2 double crochets, then a half double crochet and a single crochet. Now out of the 3 double crochets you skip the first one and make a single crochet in the second double crochet. We'll work the next wing, single crochet in the next 14 chain space, followed by a half double crochet and then 2 double crochets, 3 trebles, then work 4 double trebles. Yarn over hook 3 times. Insert hook into the space and pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops 4 times. So make 4 double treble stitches. Then make 6 triple treble stitches, that is yarn over the hook 4 times, and now insert hook, pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook 5 times. Work 5 more triple treble stitches. Then work 4 double treble stitches. Then 3 treble stitches. Two double crochets. One half double crochet and a single crochet. We have worked the left upper and lower wings of the butterfly. Now let's make the antenna. Work a single crochet in the second double crochet. Then work 12 chains. Slip stitch in the 5th chain from hook. Then slip stitch in rest of the chains. Then single crochet in the second double crochet. Make one more chain, 12. Slip stitch in the 5th chain from hook and rest of the chains. Then we'll work the next upper wing, repeating the same set of stitches as you did in the previous wing. That is single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 treble crochets, 4 double trebles, 6 triple trebles, 4 double crochet, 4 double trebles, 3 trebles, 2 double crochet, half double crochet and a single crochet into the chain 14 space. Then make a single crochet in the second double crochet. Into the last chain 6 space, work a single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, six triples, 2 double crochet, half double crochet and a single crochet. Make a slip stitch in the second double crochet and cut off yarn. Now you can weave in the loose ends of yarn. This butterfly will need to be blocked for best result. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.